Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Stromanthe sanguinea triostar by division. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. This Stromanthe can be propagated by division. First, you have to get the plant out of its pot. Some plants in the pot are easy to separate. See where these plants are attached to each other? You can divide the plant into two separate plants just by pulling them apart. Now it is time to repot the several new plants into pots. As soil mixture I use a mix of coco peat, perlite and bark. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of the Stromanthe sanguinea triostar. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!